Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Odyssey sliding door. First, find the main power switch for the sliding doors, usually located near the driver's seat or in the glove compartment. Turn this switch to the off position. This action cuts power to the door system, allowing for a complete reset. Make sure to wait for at least 30 seconds before moving to the next step. This ensures the system fully discharges. After waiting, manually open each sliding door all the way, then close it completely. Do this for both the left and right sliding doors. This helps the system relearn the full range of motion. As you operate the doors, check for any physical obstructions that might be preventing smooth movement. Also, listen carefully for any grinding or unusual sounds, which could indicate a mechanical issue. If the reset doesn't immediately fix the issue, let's troubleshoot further. Examine the door tracks for any debris, dirt, or damage that could impede movement. A small pebble can cause big problems. Also, inspect the wiring harness that connects to the door for any signs of fraying or damage. Sometimes, a simple lubrication of the moving parts with a silicone-based spray can resolve stiffness. Now, return to the main power switch and turn it back to the on position. Once power is restored, test the automatic function of both sliding doors using the interior and exterior buttons, as well as the key fob. They should now operate smoothly. Remember, regular cleaning and inspection can prevent future issues. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, make sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.